everyone, it's Margaret here at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to show you this Cozy Up quilt by Corey Yoder for Coriander Quilts so that you can see what's all inside and be inspired just like me so that you have a wonderful fall quilt. I love this quilt because it would be great for a wall hanging to use as your decor. I love the pumpkins in it, and I love the trucks that are on top that are made out of the plaids that are inside this collection. This Cozy Up quilt measures 72 by 80, so it's a nice size quilt. You can actually put it on your bed if you wanted to also, but this quilt is so much fun from the Cozy Up line. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Corey makes wonderful patterns, and this is one of them right here. And she writes very good instructions, uses colored pictures, and gives you all the detail you need to make the quilt easily. So a great pattern, it's called Roadside Harvest, so that you can make this quilt with this. The thank you note from Moda, and let's see what's inside this as far as fabrics. So what we have as fabrics is, we've got the background fabric, which is a nice off-white Moda fabric. We've got some fun prints here of small dots that are multicolored, looks like fall colors, green dots, and then we have all kinds of different colored plaids that you use in making this. So it's more of a buffalo check that you use in making all of the pieced pieces throughout here. Also has some nice word fabrics, her florals she's known for, and the colorations in here are the greens, golds, oranges, all the colors you would find in the fall. So this is a great fall quilt and would be so fun to cozy up under next to the fire or for your next picnic. So I hope this has inspired you to make this quilt. Happy quilting!